Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can download DeepSeek AI. In order to do so, here we are at deepseek.com. And if you hover your mouse over where it says Get DeepSeek app, then you can see here that you can scan in order to get a direct link to the DeepSeek app, and you can download that to your device. Now, you can also use it from the PC. So if you do want to come to deepseek.com, then you're going to have to get yourself set up and you can use DeepSeek here as well. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.